Man, sure.
My God, I hate. Now I'm hungry. Now you drag me, come here. Let's just start to go and cook for me.
See, you even have the guts to tell me you are hungry, right? And you want my sister to cook for you. After all, you're owing me 3,000 naira for the past 3 months, and you've not paid me, and you want my sister to cook for you. Cook.
Brother, let me cook for him. Let's help the situation.
Oh, you want to eat, right?
Yeah.
Go and cook for him. Come back here. Cook. Oh, you really want her to go and cook for you, right? Now listen. Out of that 3,000 naira you are owing me, remove 500 naira from it to eat. Now you'll be owing me 3,500 naira. I borrow you. But in this house, no food.
Don't worry, I'll pay you 2,000. Let your sister go and cook for me. I'm hungry.
Food cup. Food me.
So you money. No, worry. Don't go back to the water. See, why they say? Come on, let me the water over there. I swear you're going to go. When I bring out the money, no. Where the money? Quiet! I am owing my friend money. The money I owe you. Take! You said take your money. When you say you have money, wait, give me the money to the water. Give us that to the water. Give me this thing. You say you don't give money now. I tell you. I told the fellow to do this. When you worry now, I'm going to shoot anybody here now. Anybody that blows.
Please don't shoot.
She's my girlfriend. She's my girlfriend.
Come on. I will post you. Come on. We are getting married soon. Daddy, wait. You waiting to worry you now. I'm waiting to worry you. Now. You go like quarter past 5. Yeah. You not parents for this job now. You understand? Wait. Now your third day be this. You know if you teach me my job, now me be your boss. In fact, I looking like this, I better go outside. Senior colleague, go to observe a cake, then come and know. You they provoke me now. They go now. Guys, they go outside. Yeah. Today.
Our father was in heaven.
Come. How are you? What's your name? You good? Okay. My name is Amroba John, and this is my complimentary card. So anytime, just feel free to call me. Do you have a phone? What is this?
My phone.
Your phone? Can't phone be this one now? This can't phone. Who get that phone? I will slap you there. Give me something. See her now. You get phone. Babe, what is this?
Okay, he has the same phone too.
You get it? Bring them out. So they have a code phone for me. They bring them out now. Give me. I don't get time. Babe, you see, use this one for WhatsApp. Yeah, this other one for Facebook. I think you need the other one again for Instagram. Hey, babe, where your phone?
I don't have a phone.
She doesn't have a phone.
Don't worry, I'm coming back again tomorrow. Then I'll give you the phone you will use for Instagram. Okay. You understand? No, it's very nice. No, just give it to me. Oh, it's okay. You see this nice shape, you need money to maintain it. You need money. Don't worry. See, just hold this one for me. Hold this for me. Don't send me this. This time now to collect money for you. It's all for you. You need money to maintain. Where the money? See, I don't get where the money. I don't get where the money.
Hands up.
Brother?
Yeah, hands up.
MC Desmond Care.